Well, that's a nice way to welcome anyone into a garden, and especially his own garden. And some flowers, and Om Namo Ganeshaya Namah, a little Matha Teko, and a little Hath Jodo, and the flowers blooming in the garden. Some more flowers. I'll take you around the garden now and have a look at some of these flowers that have bloomed all by themselves. And remember, I was returfing the lawn. Let me show you a glimpse of the returfed lawn. There we are. Now, onto the kitchen garden. This is on the way. These are the leaves, not flowers of this plant, but these are the leaves which are red in color. Look good, don't they? Look at this. Wonderful, isn't it? So, now for some more flowers and into the kitchen garden. My god, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this that's growing in the garden? Any guesses? No? Take a good look. If you recognize this plant, you'll know what this is. Well, it's a ladyfinger. There, and that's a ladyfinger flower for you. There you are. Looking good, isn't it? And let me give you a little close up of this. There. So that's the flower of the ladyfinger. Let me show you another one. Another view. Well, here. They look pretty, don't they? Wait, let me show you another one. Here. This is the ladyfinger plant. The flower and the ladyfinger going along with it. There. And can you see the pollen? The anthrax and the pollen? Well, now that is Karela. Yes, very right. That is the bitter gourd called Karela. And it's going pretty good. These are the flowers of bitter gourd or Karela. Look good. They're very tiny but very beautiful to look at also. Here, take a closer look. And a little on the exposure, change of exposure. There. Another one. They look pretty, isn't it? And that's the Karela with it, or the bitter gourd. Now, let me take you to another part of the lawn. And one last look, one last glimpse. And there. That was the papayas just coming, and these are the brinjals, the eggplant. And I'll show you more. This is the round one. Now I'm going to show you some more of them. In this garden of mine, I have grown so many varieties of brinjal or the eggplant. There. Now I'm going to show the long one. There, can you see that? Wait, let me give you a closer look. So here we are. So that's another one. Tiny, but yes, they look good. And once bloomed, now these are the capsicum, the green chilies. The green chilies. Yes, the green chilies. So, this is the mountain variety from the lands of Himachal or from the lands of foothills, and they look good too, isn't it? Now, let me take you back and look at that. That's the flower, and that's the green chilies again. Now, these are the maltas, the citrus. This is the plant, one of the plants on the trial basis, but comes out very good. And this again is the same, the malta. And these are the ripened ones which have fallen. And onto the quinus. These are the quinus growing rapidly now. Remember, I had shown you in my previous videos also So these are the kinus ripening all the way, but they will not ripen as yet. It will still take a lot of time. They're still very tiny, they're still very small, to the size of a golf ball, a little bigger than a golf ball, say a tennis ball. And there we are. Another look at the kinus, the tennis ball size kinu, and this is our friend again saying goodbye to all of us. So that's what is going in the chef's gardens now.